Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for central Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 12:45 a.m. At 9:40 p.m., Doppler radar.
Yeah.
Area. The expected rainfall rate is 2 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that might experience flash flooding include Pittsburgh, Penn Hills, Mount Lebanon, Ross Township, Monroeville, McKeesport, Keeler Township, West Mifflin, North Side Pittsburgh, Baldwin, Scott Township, Wilkinsburg, Whitehall, Robinson Township, Lynn Hall, North Versailles and Brentwood. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in...
And, you know what?
Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.